Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For this week's episode, I'm actually going to take you on a private tour of the British Virgin Islands. Super excited, it's something we've been wanting to do. So come along with me. We spent the whole day in the BVIs, hitting up several different spots, and it was an incredible trip. So let's go. Okay, so I'm here with Captain Jason from Island Routes Charters. He is taking us to the BVIs today. So can you give us a little itinerary as to where we're going?
Yeah guys, well we're gonna head off, start a day in USVI, probably check out Great Harbor, walk down the beach there. You've got Foxy's, Corsairs. We'll probably buzz over to White Bay, home of the Soggy Dollar Bar, Hendo's Hideout, a couple other gems. And then we're gonna make our way up towards Sandy Spit, Virgin Gorda, and just make our way all around the BVI. Weather looks beautiful, should be an awesome day.
All right, let's go.
Can't find any words, couldn't tell you what makes it perfect. You're the cure for the hurt, came around when I least expected. There's something about you, yeah.
We just finished up. It is, oh my gosh, it's after 6 p.m. We've been out since 8 a.m., but that was truly one of the best days our family has ever experienced. We had so much fun and will 1000% do it again. So if you're coming to St. John, highly recommend taking a trip over to the BVIs. Jason from Island Routes was phenomenal with his knowledge and everything he told us, but also just guiding us and just making it truly the best experience. I think our family will absolutely say that was one of our favorite trips of all time. So stay tuned for next week and see what's coming then. See you guys then.